Hey everyone, this is Paul Flynn of Megiddo Radio. Just going to do a quick unboxing video of the new Textus Receptus Calfskin edition from Trinitarian Bible Society. Now, this one's been slightly opened already. I've already unripped this part, and part of my ooh and ah will be kind of lost a little bit in this, but whatever. I said rather than stumbling around the place. So here is this hasn't been unboxed yet, so this I will be doing. Main reason for this is I don't typically do a lot of these. I want to kind of basically promote the Textus Receptus and to be used in the church and things like that. So hopefully more people will get a copy of it and be a blessing to the church. Nice size. Seems to be about the same size paper and everything that they went with before. But I think like the main reason this is significant is because there has been major improvements upon it, especially with regards to the font size. So I'll get my Stanley and hopefully not do any damage. So here it is, shrink wrapped around the box. Nice presentation, right? And this is again the calfskin. I've gotten other Textus Receptus. I got one copy of it before from the Trinitarian Bible Society, and I'll be honest, I wasn't too keen on it. This is the old edition that I got. I think I bought it secondhand somewhere. Not exactly sure. It's not bad. It's not terrible. The one major pro is this was extremely cheap to get, and they kept the prices down, and that's great. The problem is I was never a fan of that font. Never really liked the font of the old edition. So I was very excited to get this one. So let's open it up without further ado. Trinitarian Bible Society typically do very nice leather Bibles, and so I'd expect nothing else in really good quality from them. It's paste down. You can typically in the UK you can get this for $39. Plus shipping, which would be another few pounds within the United Kingdom. And immediately just the update is so evident. So it's very hard to tell when you're looking at this on a computer screen and you're trying to compare fonts. Fonts are massively important in my opinion, and they're massively undervalued by certain publishers. The difference is you can be reading a certain font for a few minutes and get extremely tired, and the size might be identical to each other. But when you're using things over time, it becomes more and more evident. So we'll go to a passage that most people are aware of, John 1:1. So, in arche, en on logos, kai ho logos, en pros ton theon, ke theos en logos. So hopefully you can see that. Now it's a massive improvement on what was there before, and that's the key thing. Here it is. I don't know if the paper is massively improved. It probably has. It seems to be good paper here being used. Compare that's the older edition and the older typesetting, which I was not a fan of. This is really nice, and to be honest, quite comparable with some of the best on the market, regardless of whether it's Tyndale House, Crossway, or whoever else is putting out other Greek New Testaments at this moment in time. So, yeah, a nice small size. I don't have the biggest hands in the world, so yeah, This seems to be an excellent addition. It's a great hand size that you can bring it along with you. And to be honest, I look at this and I don't think I will be getting tired of that font. Zoom in there. So this seems to be well worth getting. I know, like, you could quibble about a few things here and there, but I think this is a massive, massive improvement on the previous font, and that is a welcome addition, and hopefully it will do a lot to promote the use of the Greek Textus Receptus, and hopefully it will do a lot to get a lot of people looking back into this issue again, because often it's quality Textus Receptus can be very, very hard to find. But I'll leave it there. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, you can email me, megiddoradio@gmail.com. It's been Paul Flynn. May God bless you all.